Welcome to Tech Leveler, I'm Lee, and in this quick video I'm going to show you how to add multiple lock screens on the iPhone. Now this is super easy to do, and the easiest way to do it is actually head into the settings. So now we're in the settings, I'm going to come down until you see wallpaper, then we want to tap onto that. Now you're on the wallpaper section, you'll see your current wallpaper, and you want to swipe to the left, and you'll see another wallpaper, and then you want to swipe again, and this is where you can add multiple wallpapers. So you want to press this new one here with the plus icon in blue, and now from here you can add a different wallpaper to your iPhone. You can have some suggestions or the featured images here. You can also go through the top here for emojis, etc. If you're not happy with that, you can press cancel. Let's choose this one here. And once you're happy with the added wallpaper, you can press add here in the top right hand corner. And this will add that wallpaper to your iPhone. So you can set that as your new one. And you can just keep adding new wallpapers as you go. So that is how to add multiple lock screens on the iPhone. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.